I'm going to go get some plants and let's see just how much food can be grown in a raised bed that is 4 feet by 2 feet. It's a WORKPRO and it's a garden bed with legs. Of course, it's 48 by 24 by 32 inches high. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Back Garden Yard channel. Today's video, we are so lucky to get to demonstrate a 4 by 2 foot raised bed planter that the fine folks from WORKPRO have sent me to put together and demonstrate. And the question I have for you is, how much food can you really grow in a 4 by 2 foot planter? Well, we're gonna find out. But first, let's just take a look at the box. It came in just 2 days from when it was ordered. And it's a WORKPRO, and it's a garden bed with legs. Of course, it's 48 by 24 by 32 inches high. Well, let's open the box. It's even got a little glove here to, I guess, to protect your hands while you put it together. And there's the other glove. And then we've got some metal pieces. That's packing, more packing. These look like some corner braces. Oh, and I see a whole lot of screws. And then we've got a little brochure and the operator's manual. Okay, this will be the color of the sides. I already know what this is. Here's the parts. This looks pretty easy. Okay, so those instructions look very straightforward. So let me get my drill and I'll get started. So the assembly only took a few minutes. All it is just putting these bolts into these pre-drilled rivet holes. It looks like some pop rivets were put in, and it was really an easy job. You just screw them in. They're all the same size, nothing to it. But anyway, someone was asking me, they said, well, how is it going to be sturdy? Well, look at this corrugated side. All 4 sides are nice and corrugated. That gives them extra strength. And then if you look at the bottom of this, you'll notice the crossbars are on the bottom, and all that's extra support, and those are welded on. So this is a very sturdy unit. You can see when I drop it down like that, it's sturdy. So I'm ready to fill it up and we'll see how it works. Looks really good. So we've got the raised bed planter in a good position where there's a lot of sun, and we're ready to fill it and put the plants in. And we're going to see just how many plants we can get. Now, don't forget that you can get a link to this. It's on sale right now. I think I saw it for $79. That's right, $79 was the price I saw on Amazon. There's a link in the description of this video, so make sure you go ahead and get one of these while they're on sale, because a lot of places are charging over $100 for a planter like this, and this is really a good one. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and fill it. Now, one thing I like to do is save money, and to save money, what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this wood, and I'm going to put some of this wood into the bottom of this instead of having to use this Miracle Grow the whole time. So let's see if I can split this wood. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to take this half and I'm going to lay it down in here like this. And I'm going to take the other half and split it again because it's pretty large. There we go. So there, that will help save me some money on these expensive bags of soil I'm using. But now I want to show you another trick, and that is I'm going to take these pebbles here and I'm going to partially cover the drain holes with them like this. And that way the soil that I put in here won't be leaking out, but the water can still get out. So let's go ahead and now put some soil in. And the soil I'm putting in is the Miracle Grow. It's the raised bed and in-ground soil with compost. It's got a lot of wood chips and stuff like that in there, but it's a pretty good product, and I got it on sale, so I'm going to go ahead and see how much of that I can fill up with this one bag. And as you can see, that whole bag did not even fill it up, even with that wood in there. So I'm going to put one more piece of wood in, and then I got another bag of this soil, and we'll finish filling it up with that. Okay. That looks pretty good. Let me move some around, get it under this wood. So okay, we can see now that it's almost full, not quite, but I didn't quite use this whole bag. I'm gonna save a little bit here to put around the plants after I put them in. So I'm gonna go get some plants, and let's see just how much food can be grown in a raised bed that is 4 feet by 2 feet. I'm thinking there's a lot of room in there, as much soil as it took. So let's go see how many plants we can put into this planter to grow. Okay folks, so I have filled this planter up with plants, and I want to show you what we're planting. Right here are green beans, and I've got 3 nice healthy green bean plants here. And then over here I've got long Asian pepper, and then 2 bell pepper plants, and they're looking really nice. And then over here I've got 2 Rutgers tomatoes. I gave them a lot of room because they get pretty big, and they'll have to be supported later on with a cage. And then I've got lettuce. This is romaine lettuce, red, and this is green romaine lettuce. And then back here by this trellis I have got cucumber plants. And so what they're going to do is come up and grow, and run up this trellis right here. And so that's the way I've got this designed, and that way they won't take up a lot of room in the raised bed, and they can go up to the top of this trellis and it'll look really nice. And so those cucumbers, they'll run up the trellis and they'll be just hanging down, easy to pick. And then they'll go with this lettuce, and then also there'll be tomatoes, and then there's also peppers that we can put in that salad. We can really grow a nice salad. Tomatoes for BLTs and cucumbers just for munching. And then of course we're going to have green beans back here for a nice side dish. So this little 4x2 foot raised bed planter really does grow a lot of food, and I could probably put a few strawberry plants around the edges if I wanted to. I'm not going to do that right now, but it's just an idea. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check the link for the WORKPRO. It's a WORKPRO, and I've got the link right there under the description of this video. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next video.